Today, let's find the sum of the first m odd numbers. For easiness, I am going to list down the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Let's say we want to find the sum of the first two odd numbers. That will be 1 plus 3. Sum is equal to 4. I can also write 4 as 2 raised to the power 2. Next, let's find the sum of the first three odd numbers, which will be 1 plus 3 plus 5, and the result is 9. And 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. So let's do one more example. Sum of the first four odd numbers, say 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. The result being 16. I can also write the result as 4 raised to the power 2. From the pattern we have generated so far, we can see that the number of items in the list is equal to the number raised to the power 2. What I am trying to say is, if I want to sum up the first two odd numbers, it is 2 to the power 2. If I want to sum up the first three odd numbers, the result is 3 to the power 2. So the sum of the first m odd numbers, even without calculation, will be equal to the formula m raised to the power 2. Let's see this with the example using objects. Okay, so here I have one object, here I have three objects, here I have 5 objects, and here I have 7 objects. As you can see, these are all odd numbers. If I were to add the first two odd numbers, say 1 and 3, all I have to do is arrange the squares in such a way that they are going to form a m by m square, or here in this case it is going to form a 2 by 1 plus 3 will be equal to a 2 by 2 square. Similarly, if I were to arrange all the objects in 1, 3 and 5, I will be getting a pattern similar to a 3 by 3 square. So we also know that 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9, and I can also say I got a 3 by 3 square. Now you get the idea, right? Let me do one more example. I want to combine all the objects of the odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and 7. Let's see. So if I were to combine all the objects and arrange them into a pattern, I find that I can arrange them into a 4 by 4 square, which is like 16 objects, or rather 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16, or 4 by 4.